we're discussing about the set theory, that is your first unit. So here are some MCQs of on set theories. So in our earlier class also we have discussed some MCQs on the same topic. So there are some more examples or MCQs on a set theory. Okay. So let's see the first question. Here it is given that which of the following are well-defined sets. Now there are six options. So from these six options, which is the correct one? Which is the following? Which of the following are well-defined sets? Now tell me. There are six options. You read each line and tell me which is a well-defined set. So the first one is all the colors in the rainbow. Next, all the points that lie on a straight line. All the honest members in the family. Then all the efficient doctors of the hospital. All the hardworking teachers in a school. And all the prime numbers less than 100. Now, which of the following are well-defined sets? Now, tell me, anyone? Yes.
All the prime number less than 100, ma'am.
Okay, this is well defined. Okay, correct. Okay. Now, if you go to the first line, first option, that is all colors in the rainbow. Now, in a rainbow, how many colors you will get? Rainbow?
7.
Yes. That means see, this 7 colors is for me.
Oh.
The same 7 colors they will get in a rainbow. Is it correct? You can see the same color, same 7 colors. It is not like I am sitting in Guwahati, I'm looking for the different 7 colors, and you are someone from Arunachal, he is getting 7 different colors. So from Guwahati also, Arunachal also, or you can say that anywhere from this world, the art, they everyone will see the same 7 colors. Okay, that means the first one is also well defined. Correct. Now next one, all the points that lie on a straight line. Is it a well-defined line? Is it a well-defined the line? All the points that lie on a straight line.
No.
Why? Okay, well-defined means what? Distinct. Okay. Now for a single line, straight line is what? For every point, suppose they are in a straight line, we are getting numbers of points. That means infinite numbers of points. Okay, but the points are distinct because from one each point to it there is a line. So connecting all the points, we are getting the straight line. Yes, the points are infinite, but the points are distinct. Okay, they are different from one another. Okay, so that's why the second one is also a well-defined statement. Now go for the third one. All the honest members in the family. Now look for this particular word honest. Can you say that this honest word is well defined, or it has a definite definition, fixed definition for honest? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now for the option 3, that means the third statement. All the honest members in the family. So if I will say that this honesty is a relative word, that means it is not well defined. So the all the honest members in the family will not form a set. Why? Because it is not well defined. Now, suppose in your family you have 10 members. Okay, out of this 10 members, can you say directly, okay, he is the honest? This
No.
honest word is not well defined, or you can say it is a relative word. Relative, why it is relative? Because from my point of view it may be different person, and from your point of view it may be a different person. So it is related to me or related to you. So that's why the third option is not a set, because it is not well defined. Now option 4, all the efficient doctors of the hospital. Now is it a set? Is it a well defined set? Option 4. Is it a well defined set?
ma'am.
Yes, yes. Again you
No, no,
repeat.
ma'am.
No, because again same, the efficient word is a relative word, or you can say that it is it is not a well defined word. So that's why the fourth option is again not a set, or you can say it is not a set because it is not well defined. Now go for the fifth option, all the hard working teachers in a school. So
It is not well defined.
yes, again, this is not a well defined. Hard working is
Hard work.
again relative term, so it is not a well defined, so it is not a set. Now, option 6 is a set. Why? Because we will get distinct, well defined numbers, prime numbers less than 100. Okay, now question number 2. This is like write the following sets in the set builder form. Now, remember what is a set builder form? In set builder form, what we have to write? There are two forms to represent a set. First one is a tabular form and the second one is a set builder form. Now the question number 2, all the sets are given in the tabular form. That means here that directly the elements are given. But you have to write the same set in the set builder form. So in a set builder form, actually you have to write the common property of the elements. Okay. So here, if I consider the set 1, that is the first option, A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, what is the common property between these numbers or elements 2, 4, 6, 8? What is the common property? See, all these numbers are even numbers, okay? But
I
only,
think
yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Am I audible?
ma'am, even number is there.
Yes,
All are
even
even
number.
number.
All are even number. Okay. But if I say only the even numbers, then there must be 10 also. But here only 4 elements, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are given. So 10 is also an even number, but here 10 is not written. So is there any other property of this particular 4 numbers? Is there any other property so that we can have only these 4 numbers? Okay, if I say, suppose you close your eyes and I'm saying that the set of first 4 even natural number, then what you will take, what you will have? The first 4 natural even numbers. Then automatically you will get, okay, first 4 means 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay. So in table, in set builder forms, you have to write that x such that x is the first 4 even natural number. Okay, is it clear? Are you clear? Now next option 2, question number 2. So here set b is equals to 3, 9, 27 and 81. Now what is the common property of these 4 numbers 3, 9, 27 and 81? You can think, okay, you had the number 3, 9, 27 and 80. Now you just give me the relation. Okay, you can take time. No, you can take time because see this type of questions will come in your final exam also. Just you practice. Okay. So what is the common property? You just think. You have time.
Odd number.
Odd numbers. Then there must be 5 also because 5 is also an odd number. 7 is also an odd number.
Even number is there.
Yes.
Even number is there.
Even number. Okay. 3 is not an even number.
Yes.
Then anyone? See, if I take the number 3, okay, then this 3 I can relate with this next number 9 as 3 square is equals to 9. Okay, is it correct? The 3 square is equals to 9. So, okay, I am getting a relation between 3 and 9. Next, we'll look for this 27. Okay, then I can write 3 cube is equals to 27. Okay, then go to the next number, it is 81. So this 81 I can write as 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 is equals to 81. That means what? We can write all the other three numbers 9, 27 and 81 the power of in terms of a power of 3. Is it correct? So in set builder form I will write x such that x n where x is equals to 3 and n is equals to 0, 1, 2, okay, n is equals to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Are you getting my point? Is it clear? See, if you have any doubt, just ask me. We will discuss, okay? Don't worry, we will discuss. We have enough time. So if you have any doubt, you just tell me. Is it clear? How can I relate these numbers?
Yeah. No.
No. Just wait.
Yes.
Yes or no? Wait, huh? I'll show you. Let
Oh yes, 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 yes.
yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. Okay. Now, in this way,
Ye-
you can write the sets in the set builder form. Okay. Now, tell me the fourth option. Okay, this one is easy. D is equals to 3, 1, 3, 5 and so on. So, what is the common property of this elements 1, 3, 5? And can you tell me what will be the next number after 5?
What?
Yes?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
8, 6, 7, 8, 9.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
See it properly. 1, 3, 5. Next?
6,
Yes.
7, 8, 9, 10.
No, no. See, these three numbers 1, 3, 5 are odd numbers. Okay? So clearly the set of odd numbers. So next will be 7, then 9, then 11. Are you clear? Are you clear? You are saying
Yes,
number
ma'am.
6. Okay, if there is a number 6, then there must be number 2 also. But here only the odd numbers are given. So that's why the numbers will be like this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, then 13 and so on. Okay. So here I will write the set of odd numbers. Okay. So in this way you have to write the set from tabular form to the set builder form. Okay. So you just do one thing. You just practice some questions. If you have that NCRT book, there are some examples of this type. So you can just practice. And if you don't have that book, you can download the whole chapter of set theory. So from there also you can practice. Okay. Now see, this is our face to face. We are not have the classes. We are just doing our classes through online mode. So I think most of you have some doubts. So if you have any doubt, just please, I am requesting you, please let me know if you have any doubt or you didn't understand any part. So you just let me know. I will repeat. Okay, don't worry, I will repeat because this time your exam will be, I think, on the MCQ basic. So you have to be clear about the concept. Then only you can choose the correct answer. Okay, so next, okay, the last one, p is equals to, now what is this, only the curly bracket is given. So what is the name of this particular set? P is equals to, only the curly bracket is given, so this set will represent the. So if only curly bracket is given and not, yes, the nothing is given inside the curly bracket, so you must you have to understand that it is the null set or the empty set because nothing is given inside the curly bracket. So P is the null set. So you just write P the null set. Okay. Then the question number 3 is the, it is simple. The following sets in the roster form. That means now the question is given in the set builder form. So you have to convert this each and every set in the roster form. That means you have to write the elements directly. Okay. So here the option 1, A is equals to X such that X belongs to W. If I say X belongs to W means X is a whole number and X is less than equals to 5. Now tell me anyone, what are whole numbers or from where the whole numbers start? What is the starting of a whole number? Like natural number starts from 1. So whole number starts from.
0.
Yes. So starting from 0, you have to write the whole numbers which are less than or equals to 5. That means you have to include 5. So what are the whole numbers less than equals to 5? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So these are the whole numbers less than or equals to 5. So within this curly bracket, you will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now, okay. Question number 4 is this one is an interesting example. Question number 4. Which of the following are the examples of an empty set? So remember the definition of an empty set. So can anyone tell me the definition of an empty set? Can anyone tell me the definition?
Set which does not
The
contain
any,
my element,
yes. So
any element called
yes, an
any
empty
element
set. Yes,
called
yes,
the
correct.
empty,
Very good, very
empty.
good. Now, so
Yes.
now tell me from these 6 options, which is the example of an empty set? Now let's see the first option. The set of even natural numbers divisible by 3. Now is there any even natural number which is divisible by 3? Will you get any even number which is divisible by 3? Will you get any even number?
No, ma'am.
No. See, 6 is divisible by 3. Is it correct? 6 is divisible by 3. Now 6 is even or odd?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that means at least we will get a 1
Six.
element.
Oh,
6 is odd. No, 6 is an even number. So 6 divisible by 3. That means yes, we are getting one element. Similarly, if you say 12, 12 is divisible by 3, which is again an even number. So the first one is not an empty set because we are getting 6 and 12. There are some other number also we will get. Okay. So next go to our statement 2. The set of all prime numbers divisible by 2. The set of all prime numbers divisible by 2. Will you get any even number which is divisible by 2?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, because 2 itself is a even number, prime number. So 2 is divisible by 2. Yes, we are getting one element. So it is not an empty set. It is a singleton set. Okay. Now, third one. X is a natural number and x lies between 5 and 6. That means x is a number which is between 5 and 6. Now tell me, in natural number system, will you get any number between 5 and 6? Will you get any natural number between
Yes,
5 and
ma'am.
6? Yes. Okay. Tell me which one is the which natural number you will get between 5 and 6.
4.
At 5 and between 5 and 6, will you get 4?
No, 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 no. There is no,
Yes. Yes.
no,
Yes.
no number.
So
Number is not there.
yes.
X is there.
X is there. So that means we will not get any natural number between 5 and 6. So this option 3, question number 3 is an example of an empty set. Okay. So this one I can change a little bit and I can ask you like this. X belongs to capital N and X lies between 10 and 11. So 10 and 11, between 10 and 11, we are not getting any natural number. So again, that one will be an example of an empty set. Okay. So this type of examples. So you
Yes.
have to be clear about what are natural number, what are whole numbers, what are integers, then real numbers. Okay. So next one, the fourth one is the set of odd natural numbers divisible by
Yes.
2. Is it an empty set? The set of odd natural number divisible by 2. Will you get any odd number which is divisible by 2?
No.
No. That means again,
It is 2 is the prime number, ma'am.
yes, 2 is the prime number and 2 is a even number. So actually the even number, the main
Yes.
condition is any number is a even when it is divisible by 2. So we are not getting any odd number which is divisible by 2. So it is an empty set. Okay?
Oh, empty set.
Yes. So,
Yes.
so next one. Question number 5. P such that x is a prime number and the number lies between 54 and 58. Now tell me, is there any prime number between 54 and 58? So what are the numbers between 54 and 58? 55?
No, X. There is X. There. It is empty set, ma'am.
Empty set. Okay.
In middle, X. X is there.
X is there.
Yes.
So what is the value of x? Will you get any value for x? Because see, from 54 to 58, the numbers are 55, 56, 57 and 58. Now 54 is an even number. So it is not an odd natural number. Okay, prime number. Then 55 is divisible by 11. Okay, we will not go for 55. Next is 56. Again 56 is a even number. So it is divisible by 2. So hence it is not a prime number. Next, come to the number 57. Now 57 a odd prime number or a non-prime number? See, 57. Is it a prime number? Will you get any divisor of 57?
No, ma'am. Yes, sir.
No. That means yes.
It is odd number, ma'am.
It is an odd number and it is a prime number. So yes, we are having a prime number between 54 and 58. So it is a singleton set, not an empty set. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Now see, this MCQs we are just
Yes.
discussing. Okay, you can do one thing. I will share this PDF so you can do like it is like your homework, that for each and every statement I am discussing, just you write it formally. Okay, the answer you have to write in formal words. That means how you will write in your exam. So you can take time, you can submit it next week, next Friday also, or so you just try it once. You just send me the photocopies, I will correct. Okay.
Okay.
So I think in this way you will have one assignment also. I will giving you this assignment only. So you just submit this MCQs. Just you write the justification each and every statement. So I will check the MCQs. So on the basis of that, I will give your internal assessment mark. Okay. So you just inform all the other students also to submit this. You will have
Okay, ma'am.
time. So you just solve this one, and during this time also, if you have any doubt, you can just call me or you can text me also. Okay, we will discuss. So
Okay, ma'am.
I will stop here for today.